Warrington Wolves Academy and youth staff, including coaches, team managers and medical staff, have undertaken a mental health first aid course. The content was delivered by Dan Keenan, ex-professional player Johnny Lawless from Mind Matter. The session was to make club staff aware of the different symptoms and mental health conditions that people suffer from, and to provide the tools in order to recognize and help players through tough periods. Stuart Burrow, Wolves Academy head coach and player performance manager, said, "This was an enlightening course that was expertly delivered by Mind Matter. We work with children from 14 years of age through to young men of 19, and it's important that we can offer all the support we can, not just in terms of rugby but also well-being. Suicide is the biggest killer in men under 30, so we all have our part to play to break the stigma of mental health."